Alright, so we're back, guys. We're back. Yeah. Now, this is where we last what were we even doing? Okay, we are doing the username, password for the user to be able to fill in his information, and I think I was play on the cool music. So we're going to continue from right there. This is not really one. Yeah. I don't know, I just like the music anytime I'm walking, it helps me to think of something when I'm lost. I don't know. Like right now, okay, I was trying to get something. That document. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to put a. Okay, do that. This is not going as planned. This equals to 1. Username, email, password. Alright, to confirm. Typo. And the space as usual. Now after that, we have to start some conditions over there. So yeah, we have to talking what the code is, but we have to verify if the email is correct. And okay, that's okay. We're using conditions anyways. If sorry. Well, surely there are going to be these two things in the email. If your email doesn't contain at and the full stop, so really the full stop that is usually the domain and the at that becomes before the domain. I don't know if that's a real email. So what are we doing here? This one like easy condition here. If at and full stop in the email, we're going to proceed to the next. That's another condition. I'm thinking I should do it like this. Yeah, this is to check if the password and confirm password are the same first. So you know the double equals. Now we're going to check if the password was correct. Sorry. How are we gonna type this now? Okay. I'm getting that right. It has to be greater or equals to, sorry. Okay. And for this, and why am I typing all this? Char dot is that it? Very sorry, guys. Yep. Ah. Alright, I'm just gonna do some quick hacking here. I think I'm gonna cut this part of the video because it's really gonna make the video long if we continue with this. So I'm just quickly gonna cut this video and you're not gonna notice what's going to happen. So okay, you're gonna notice actually. There's just gonna be some real quick shit here. Um, okay, about so what did I do? Normal if at in email and full stop in email. We pass that if password equals to confirm password. We'll now check if password is correct. So after checking if password is correct, here we go. If length of the password is greater than or equals to 8, well now this is like or there is upper for in password and lower, like these are the requirements in a password and digit. And yeah, let me really add for symbol. If that's correct, then what we're going to do is append username, email and password to users. Remember, we created users over here, users on the line 2. This is users. So I'm going to append that. Now we're going to have to create an account. The user has to have an account number. Remember, this guy is for like a banking kind of terminal kind of bank. So account number, and then we're going to use random. That is why we imported random at the beginning of the code, because I wanted to use random for the account number. Actually, that was the first thing that came to my mind when I thought of the user authentication for bank. Who the hell is calling me? So please give me some time.